Okay, the first thing we need to do is get the x's lined up, the y's lined up, the z's. So this is a 2x for the first column. It's a 0 for the x in the second one, and then it's an x on the bottom one. Then there's the plus y, and then there's going to be a plus 0 equals negative 4 for that first equation. For the second one, it's going to be plus 3y minus z equals negative 1. And for the last one, it's going to be plus 0 plus 3z equals negative 16. Now just make sure you believe that. What I did was I put zeros in for the missing coefficients and lined up everybody. So the first equation became 2x plus y plus 0 equals negative 4. Second one, 0 plus 3y minus z equals negative 1. And the last one is x plus 0, because there's no y, plus 3z equals negative 16. Okay, so let's continue with our solution. We only have to find x. So let's find capital D. Capital D is the determinant form with the coefficients of the x's, which is 2, 0, 1. Coefficients of the y's, 1, 3, 0. Coefficients of the z's, 0, negative 1, 3. Okay, we're going to expand around the first column. That equals positive, the number 2 times bracket. Block out the row and column, cross product 9 minus cross product 0. Then we get an assignment of a negative sign for this next value, but it's just 0, so it doesn't matter what we multiply here. Not even going to fill it in. Let's go to the next one. That comes assignment with assignment plus, and then the numbers are positive 1 times bracket, cross out the column and the row. We get cross product negative 1 minus cross product 0. Okay, simplify. That's 2 times 9. This is 0. Plus 1 times negative 1. So that equals 18 minus 1, which equals 17. That's our capital D. Let's do D sub x. D sub x, here we're going to replace the x coefficients with the constants negative 4, negative 1, negative 16. Then keep the y coefficients 1, 3, 0, and keep the z coefficients 0, negative 1, 3. That equals, expanding about the first number in the upper corner, comes with an assignment of a positive, and then the number is negative 4 times bracket, cross out the column and row, then do cross product 9 minus cross product 0. The next number, negative 1, that position comes with an assignment of a negative, and then the number happens to be also negative 1 times, cross out the column and row, cross product 3 minus cross product 0. And finally, the last number, that position comes with a negative, and then the number in that position happens to be also negative 16 times, bracket, cross out the column and row, do cross product negative 1 minus cross product 0. So this equals negative 4 times 9, minus the minus is plus 1 times 3, minus the minus is plus 16 times negative 1. So this is negative, 36 plus 3 minus 16. Negative 36 minus 16 plus 3. Okay, we have a mistake here. This came with a plus assignment, not a minus assignment. So this is actually a negative 16. That makes this a positive 16. So negative 36 plus 16 is negative 20, plus 3 is negative 17. That is my D sub x. Okay, sorry, I got mixed up with the signs there, but now I'm ready to conclude. They only asked us to find the x coordinate, so the x is equal to D sub x over D, and that's equal to negative 17 for D sub x over 17 for D. The answer is x is equal to negative 1.